What's up guys, Adrian Amaral here with 911 Gadgets. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the back glass on an iPhone XR. As you can see, this one's pretty badly cracked. So we're going to use a laser machine, which you see right here. Make sure you have your new glass ready. We like to get the one with the bigger camera hole so that it can fit perfectly over. You see, you don't need to worry about removing the camera bezel or anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or if you're interested in the laser machine, look at the description down below. I'll leave a link there, or you can just comment or text me 951-399-7911. I can give you more details on this laser machine. It's really a good handy tool to have. These repairs, I'm knocking them out in 20 to 25 minutes. Very simple. All right, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to turn the phone off. I've done it before without turning it off on accident, but nothing happens. I've never broken a phone with the laser machine. I've heard stories of people having problems, but I think the problem comes when it's time to pick off the glass, because even though it's a laser machine, you still have to pick the glass off. It's not nearly as difficult as it was without the laser machine. But when you're picking it off, you gotta be careful not to damage anything else. So I've never had that issue. So here we go, phone is off. This is a freshly installed screen. You can tell I still have the little plastic film. So now that it's off, you want to go over to your laser machine. So there it is. You're gonna place it on the needle here. Okay. And you're gonna push the autofocus button. And what you see here is you see the laser kind of adjust itself. You see how it's going up? You can barely tell. Now it's coming back down. It's gonna autofocus itself, and you'll see this green button or this green light turn on once it's focused. There it is. So now the laser head is focused. It's distanced itself enough to burn only up to the glass and the paint, okay, so it won't go any further. All right, so we can tape this right here so it doesn't burn the the camera frame, although this one's pretty beat up. You see how it has some chips on there, scratches. Well, you put a piece of tape, black tape. I like using electrical tape. If not, I got this I have a little thing that goes over it. You see? So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You just place it right over the camera like that, and that protects the camera. You don't have to be taping it anymore, okay? So there's that. Let's get ready to laser this puppy. So we're gonna go over to our software. If you go here to brand, you'll see all these brands. If you only see one Apple or just like two brands on here, that means you're not connected to the internet. So make sure your laptop or computer is not in airplane mode. Turn the internet on, close the program, open it again, and you should see all of these. So we're gonna go to Apple model. This is an iPhone XR, and we're gonna do rear cover. Okay, there's back cover, so you want to do rear cover. I also want to mention, if you do get the laser machine from us, from 911 Gadgets, you're automatically included to our group, our Facebook group, our lifetime tech support and customer service, and I will personally train you on how to use this software, not only for back glass, but also for engravings. Check out the description below. I'm going to leave some links on some cool stuff that I've done with the engraving side of this machine, so stay tuned for that. So we have this template on already. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the red light. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's positioned properly where the line is exactly around the glass. Let's stop the red light. Let's go ahead and let's turn on our fume extractor real quick. All right, so I'm gonna position it right here, and I'm gonna just turn it on and hit mark. Alright guys, so the process is done. You grab your phone and you can see it's all lasered off. Well, you know, it skips this area here because that's where your charging port's at, so it doesn't want to damage anything. So now comes the fun part. Yeah, right. This is the you get used to it. Bunch of trash in here. So guys, please wear goggles because I got a little piece of glass in my eye yesterday doing one of these back glass repairs. Wear them, man. I mean, yeah, you just never know when it's gonna pop up, you know. And I watched the video on YouTube where some guy got a massive piece of glass in his eye, and it's just not a good thing, guys. So wear your goggles, okay? Here we go. First things first, take this little camera thing off. There you go, it's a protector. Put it back. And we're gonna go ahead and grab some tools right here. Alright, you can get yourself one of these little boxes. Look up on eBay or whatever. That's what I use. It's called Safety Zone. This is large. But anyways, so we're gonna get a blade and then this little tool. This is Kian Lee Tool Plus. I'll try to leave a link in the description. So here we go. Be careful because there's the frames have a plastic, like a little plastic area. You can kind of see it, and you can damage that when you're picking this stuff off. So try to go in from. There you go. You see, I'm just gonna be careful with the wireless charging pad as well. Actually, I'm gonna turn the light on, guys, because I can't see much. Alright, see where the pad is. Okay, so the pad, I see the battery here. You see the battery right there? So the pad is still stuck to the glass, so you want to be careful there. There it is. So I just got underneath it. See? I got in between the glass and the wireless charging pad. Okay. That's good. Gonna hold it. Hold it with your finger so you don't tear it. There it is. And then now you just go at it with this little flimsy tool. See, so be careful, you know, if you use a blade, even this tool can damage some components, you know, so just take it easy. So this part up here is super shattered. They're not usually this bad, guys. So I'm gonna grab this tool here. Okay, so far so good. You see that? I just felt a piece of glass hit me right here on the side of my head, so on my temple. So please wear your goggles, guys. Yeah, you see that? I just got one in my arm. You have to make sure there's no glass left over, like even here, just little pieces, because when you put the new glass, it'll scratch it. This is the part where you can damage that plastic edge. Well, at least the camera part was done. Sometimes, guys, the cameras, it doesn't have it all broken from here, and you have to break it off. You can watch my iPhone 8 Plus video. Or my iPhone X video, where I break around the camera. You gotta break that glass around there. This one was already off, so it was pretty easy. Okay, so we got that. Go around the edges. That's where I'm talking about. See? I went too hard and I damaged that little plastic a little bit. A lot of times the frame's already so scratched up, you can't really tell. This one's kind of scratched up, so it's not too bad. But when it's a real pristine phone, you gotta be extra careful, alright? See, there's little pieces of glass that are left over, like right here. You gotta take that off. If this is too thick, then go over to your blade. And this is why I don't want to do it on my little mat, because it gets so dirty. Yeah, I'm just getting all that glass off the edges. I've tried to. You said I was the only one. Being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Okay, so here we go. Between us. Make sure there's no glass at all, guys, so that the new one can lay right over it. And this is the part where people usually damage things. They're trying to pick out the glass. I've been stuck on memory. It's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my
I got a hole. This whole edge right here is full of glass.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
Pretty tiring, guys.
I just need to. I just need to. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
And
I just need to clear my head.
that's what I'm talking about, guys. There's some glass right here. You see this by the camera? You gotta get rid of that. Whoa. Need some better goggles. This thing still went through right here.
Yeah.
So this thing still had some glass right around here. Gotta clean that off real good, guys. Okay, guys. So once you feel like you've got it all out, go around the edges real quick. Make sure there's no more glass left over. Scratch it off. And go all around it. And then with your blade, go ahead and scratch the entire back just to make sure there's no pieces of glass. And if there is, you'll probably be breaking them off. Like there's a little bit here. So see, there it is. They're all gone now. So what this does, it breaks off the last little itty bitty itty bitty, the last little itty bitty pieces of glass. And any remaining glue that's just hanging out there. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the glue. I use a good old regular B7000. Get your glue. Go around the whole edges.
Give you hints and a heart to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
And then you go around the whole back.
Just make you cry. I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see. 'Cause the pain is in my eyes.
Okay. Now I like to spread it with a piece of that old glove. I just like to spread it just so it's not too concentrated on one area of the of the new back glass color, you know. I'm afraid it might. I've seen some videos where it kind of it stains it, so we don't want that. Okay, there it is. Put the back glass on.
I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
Clean off the edges real quick with some alcohol. Okay. And then after you do that, then we'll clean the rest of it after, once it's completely glued. Make sure it's aligned properly.
With you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not right. I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I'll just make you cry.
Okay guys, so you're just gonna let it sit there for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll come back to it and we'll show you the final result.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and see our final test, our final result. Let's turn it on. Of course, it's low on battery, but overall, let's give it a final wipe. And there it is, guys. Super clean all around. Make sure there's no glue around there. And it's beautiful. Here you go, guys. Compared to how it was before, it is looking amazing now. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. If you want to learn how to open your cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. If you want to get the laser machine, you can also go to the website. If you want to call me or email me first before you purchase it, I can give you more details and information to make you feel safe about purchasing this machine. We do have a group on Facebook with over 107 people, and there's a lot of people who purchase a laser machine in there. So give me a text, 951-399-7911, or email me at contact@911gadgets.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at 911gadgets. or leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped you. We'll see you on the next video.